angels rush up from the south, carrying a summer tune. The signal echoes through the land that now is the end of June. And you stand there in front of me, more lovelier than a blossoming tree. What is your name, I ask, and you reply, Melanie, Melanie. You say your name is Melanie. It is rare to find a girl whose name matches her beauty. You are brighter than a shooting star. You know who you really are. I have not done much in my life, but with you I could go far. Take me to heaven on your magic carpet ride. Show me the thrill of happiness as we continue to glide. Her beauty. But what is this you're saying? Please don't burst our bubble. You can't love anyone else. That can only lead to trouble.